are so much like against eat anything. Okay. Outright. So to apply, you need to fill out an online application on a website. That education and your availability. One outright. So to apply, you need to fill out an online application on a website. That education and your availability. One outright. So to apply, you need to fill out an online app. Lesson same month. Thank you, Oversender. Account ID is OV04PRCUS. Silver. Lesson same month. Thank you, Oversender. Account ID is OV04PRCUS. Silver. Lesson same month. Thank you, Oversender. Lesson account ID is thank you, OV04. Hey, I want to find out about them and the monetization, please, sis. Can I get the postcode? Ain't this sponsor hell you said? Hey, I want to find out about them and the monetization, please, sis. Can I get the postcode? Ain't this sponsor hell you said? Reach to the please can you please reach to the exchange refund procedure. Okay, mom, just a moment. I just logged out from the account. So as to reach to the please can you please reach to the exchange refund procedure. Okay, mom, just a moment. I just logged out from the account. So as to reach to the please can you please reach to the exchange refund procedure. Please can you please reach to the exchange refund procedure. Okay, mom, just a moment. I just logged out from the account. So as to okay, mom, just a moment. I just logged out from the account. So as to reach to the please can you please reach reach to the please can you please reach to the exchange refund procedure. Okay, mom, just a moment. I just logged out from the account. So as to hey, I want to find out about them and I want to find attraction, please. Yes. Can I get the postcode? Alright, we have a few great Yonkers restaurant in your area. Do you have a specific dish in mind or are you open to suggestions? Pleasant, same month. Pleasant. Thank you, Overson. Thank you, Overson. Con ideas. OV04 RCUS. Silver. RC. They will be cost efficient and they will be saving time also. Because right now, it's obviously that people doesn't have time. They will be cost efficient and they will be saving time also. Because right now, it's obviously that people doesn't have time. They will be cost efficient and they will be saving time also. Because right now, it's obviously that people doesn't have time. Alright, we have a few great Yonkers. Alright, we have a person who wants his or her land can go there and do whatever they want. That's why it is a major issue nowadays. A person who wants his or her land can go there and do whatever they want. That's why it is a major issue nowadays. A person who wants his or her land can go there and do whatever. That's why it is a major issue nowadays. A person who wants his or a person wants. Hey, I want to find out about the man on the moon attraction, please. Yes. Can I get the postcode? And it is a concert hall, you said. Yes. Silver. Hey, I want to find out about the man on the moon attraction, please. Yes. Can I get the postcode? And it is a concert hall, you said. Hey, I want to find out about the man on the moon attraction, please. Yes. Can I get the postcode? And it is a concert hall, you said.